the best exercises for women over 45, and the 3 exercise groups you should include in your fitness routine. Hi, I'm GloryB, and this is GloryB-TV, the lifestyle channel for mature women who want to look fabulous, feel amazing, and age gracefully. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Make sure to click the red subscribe button and then click the little gray bell so that you'll be notified every time there's a new video, and all the videos apply to you. There are 3 groups of exercise. You might even call them the Healthy Trinity of fitness. And these are really important for us as we get older. And those 3 groups are endurance, flexibility, and strength. These 3 will ensure you have a healthy body, and they'll also help to prevent you from falling. The first is endurance. Now, these are all different kinds of aerobic exercise. These are the types of exercises that get your heart rate to increase, and they include all kinds of things like walking, running, biking, swimming, and even dancing. The second group is flexibility. This includes all different types of stretching. As we age, the muscles in our lower back and our core area and on the backs of our legs, our hamstrings, get shortened and tighter. And when that happens, it keeps us from doing the types of physical activities we want to do, just like the aerobic activities that I just mentioned. Stretching will help to keep your muscles lengthened and limber. The third group is strength. Now, this includes weight training and resistance training, such as with this band. Strength training will make your muscles stronger. And when we work the lower body, those types of exercises and that whole core area from our waist down to our feet really will help to keep us from falling. When we do the strength training for our upper body, it will help us in all of our daily tasks. I go into more depth in these types of exercises in other videos. Start by checking out the aerobic exercise and the strength exercise video by clicking one of the images on the right side of your screen, and I'll see you in the next video.